Today we are going to permanently delete photos from your Android. First, we start by selecting the videos. You hold down and then you click the radio button to choose the videos or photos. And then we are going to click delete at the bottom and then click move to trash. Now, they're off your camera app, but they're still on your phone. So now we're going to move over to the next step on where the videos are. So we are going to look for the My Files app. I use a different launcher. This is how I find My Files app, by clicking down here and you see it. Another way to do it is if you'll scroll down from the top, click the settings, click the microphone glass, and then put in file, and then go down to My Files, click on it, and then we are going to click open. Okay, that's two ways to get to the My Files app. Then we are going to scroll up and then you choose trash. Now there's three ways to delete once you're inside of here. The first way is manually. We're going to select them the same way we selected the videos to delete them, by pressing on it. Click the radio buttons individually and you can click delete, and we're going to click it at the bottom. Permanently deletes them. We're going to click delete again. The second way is we're going to go up to the edit, click on that. Now you can individually delete them, or you can select items up at the top to select them all. And we're going to do that for now, but we're going to uncheck a couple of them for the third way. Now we're going to hit the delete button at the bottom, permanently deletes, and hit delete again. Now the last way is we're going to click the three buttons up top and click empty and click delete. Now they're all gone. So this is how you permanently delete them from Android. I did a video on iPhone showing how to permanently delete videos, and it was requested for me to show this. To see this video, click above and you'll see how to do it on the iPhone as well. So that's how you permanently delete them. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Depending on what platform you're watching it on, you'll follow me, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Also, here's future videos on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. Well, thank you for watching.